Hi, honeys. How's you all's day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, it's almost 3 o'clock on a Sunday. I didn't go to church today. But anyway, I'm getting ready to make some air fryer taco chicken legs. I don't do legs often, so I'll be using seasoning my chicken with this regular taco mix. And after today, I'm not buying any more packets of seasoning. I'm going to make my own seasoning mixes. Put them in my own jars. Okay? And of course, I'll be marinating with the yellow mustard. Okay, stay tuned. Wash my legs yet, so I'll be putting a squirt of, let me shake this so don't let that watery stuff come out first. I'm using yellow mustard, regular yellow mustard. I'll squirt it in the bowl. Nice. I don't measure anything. I'm doing this so I don't have to touch these bottles and things, contaminate stuff. I got a big long tray of legs, so I'm going to use this whole packet. So taco seasoning is the McCormick brand. Man, I must say something. I'm going to learn how to make this too. So I'll be making it. I'm not going to buy these little packets anymore. Oh. Y'all know I got to add my red pepper. Yes. I'm going to start sneezing. That's good. Okay, I'm going to wash these legs and dry them off and then throw them in the bowl. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I added both packs of the taco mix since I got so many legs, and this is what it looks like. I put some more red pepper and a little more mustard, and I smushed them. Oh my goodness. And the seasoning actually smells like those flaming hot potato chips. And you know, you lick the red seasoning off your hand. I'm thinking they use taco seasoning on those chips. So, look at all that. So, we put these in here. And I'm not going to add oil. Some of these are some huge legs. So, I think they're going to cook for about 24 minutes. I mean, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one little one here. 7 legs. How many was in here? 2, 4, 6. 6 left. Okay. I hope these turn out good. My oldest daughter, Nicole, she texted me and said she just made the best chicken legs. She had the legs and the thighs attached, leg quarter. And she said she seasoned it with tahini and taco seasoning. And it was so good. So, I'm trying it. It better be good. Set it for 400 degrees. I set everything for 400. Set it for 23 minutes. Okay. And I got about 5 or 6 little white buttery potatoes in here. This is my rice cooker. I'm like, you know, I'm getting so I like cooking in it more and more. I ain't got to stand over no stove and watch nothing, watch the fire, or be scared it's gonna boil over. So, let's see what's happening. Well, they're almost done now. Nice and soft. About this one I got sitting on top. It's sitting on top of the others, and it's getting done. I'm gonna let them stay in here and do what it does. Okay. I will be back, y'all. Okay, I'm getting ready to turn this. It's been cooking for 8 minutes. No, it's on the 7. Show y'all. Turn it over. These things look spicy. I hope I didn't overdo it with the seasoning. They certainly look and smell so good. Come on now. Turn over. Turn over. Talking to these legs. Okay. Everything is flipped. Oh, that's this one. Okay. Put it back in here. Put the rest of the... It has 7 minutes to go, I think. Forgot what I had it on. I think I had it on 22 or 23. Let's see. Oh, I got 6 minutes to go. Okay, I will be back. And I put this rice cooker, these potatoes, I put it on the keep warm setting because the potatoes are done. So we're just going to eat chicken and potatoes, nothing else. I add salt and butter to my potato. I'll be back. This is what my taco seasoned chicken legs look like. I'm starting to like naked chicken now. Everything used to have to be breaded, but now I'm liking the naked. Okay, let me turn this camera back around. Okay, Walter just hollered from the back room. Said, I heard it beeping. Okay. They look good. I'm going to take this over to the stove. And they're not over seasoned, else I have to wash them off. This is a huge leg. Can't even grab it. Oh, it's good and done. It's tearing up. Got a little bitty leg right there. Remind me of my grandmama. She has some little skinny legs. Real skinny. She was petite. She was a fast old lady. She wore her high heels until my mother hid them. Okay, clean up ain't bad. Okay, y'all. These are my taco, taco seasoned chicken legs. And I got to taste it. Hope I didn't use too much taco mix. Okay, I like to hold the plate. Now, I guess you want to see me taste it. Still hot. Woo. Lord have mercy. Maybe I need to cut a piece. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is a winter recipe, y'all. Not over seasoned. I used 2 packs of the taco seasoning mix and some red pepper, marinated with mustard. It just tastes like mo. Okay. I don't know what made my daughter try taco seasoning on chicken. She said I would really like it, and I really do like it. And you all would like it too. And stay tuned for my do-it-yourself taco seasoning mix. I'm gonna start making my own seasonings. Oh, Lord have mercy. This is so good. I ain't just saying it. It's good for real, for real. Now, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. And if you've ever used taco mix on your chicken, let me know. This is a winner. I don't even want no potatoes. I just want chicken. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye.